Idaho law enforcement is going to use a new tool to try and solve Idaho's cold cases. Playing cards. A local woman created a deck of playing cards showing the names and faces of missing persons and unsolved murder victims. Local News 8's Dennis Valera joining us now. Dennis, the cards that we can kind of see behind you there, how far back do they date?
1968, Carol, and it spans to 2012. I spoke to a family member of the victim on the Nine of Hearts card today. He told me it's been an emotional roller coaster seeing his sister on the card.
It's hard to put into words.
That was Ben Smith's answer when I first asked him about seeing his sister Linda on this card. He's been waiting more than 30 years to find out why his sister was killed.
It was neat to see. Not necessarily need to see, the cold cases, but to see them featured like that and to know what they could possibly do in the long run.
Developed by the creator of East Idaho Cold Cases, the cards show the victim's face, story, and a tip line number. They will be distributed to inmates this month, also working their way into county jails statewide.
By keeping the names and the faces, the dates and the towns in the public's awareness, somebody somewhere will see the information and decide to maybe pick up the phone and call that tip line and report what they know, even anonymously if they have to.
Smith says the whole process has created a support network for the victims' families.
Every time their name comes up, or every anniversary that comes up, or every birthday that comes up, it stings and it hurts. And I've gone out of my comfort zone and I've offered my ear or my shoulder to other family members of other victims to let them know they're not alone in this.
Crystal Douglas plans to do more decks in the future, showcasing other cases, and she's also trying to make the cards available to everyone. In studio tonight, I'm Dennis Valera.
That's a really good idea. Thanks, Dennis. The Idaho Department of Corrections helped to fund the first batch of those cards. You can go to our website, localnews8.com, to find out how you might be able to help Douglas create more of those cards.